Now, let's watch this snake eat this bird. You watch the real thing, Pierce. You don't have to watch the movie.
I want the movie.
I'm trying to decide if he's trying to put that bird out. I don't know if he can get that bird in there.
I think he's trying to get it out.
Will!
Trying to wrap around it and pull it out.
Thanks.
You know, animals, they work awfully hard to get their meals. They don't want to let it go.
Wash.
He's wrapped around his head.
Looks like near the far side where the... No, stay back. You stay back, Nathan.
The bird's showing in the camera. Can I video something, Daddy?
No, let me get this first. Just watch it. Watch it and see what happens.
Can I do something a little bit later?
Maybe so. Remember the far side where the spiders did the web at the bottom of the slide? This works with
Oh, hold on,
That kid must have slid right into that spider web. Did the kid slide right into the spider web?
Yeah, watch the snake.
Yeah. I want a snake on here.
Don't mow before.
What?
Gary, did
What
you
the
even know the snake was out here? Well, we were just out here when we were coming out.
It's making progress.
There's so much. You saw us here when you're wondering why we were here. Then you saw the snake. That's why we. And then you knew that's why we were here.
Isn't that amazing, Pierce?
Yeah.
I wonder if that's mama or daddy or husband or wife right there.
That's unhappy Robin.
Oh, a snake up here.
It's a gator.
No, not too close.
Up a mouth.
I think I know what's happening. I think it's a man or a woman trying, like, sad that it's eating that bird.
I wonder if he's right here, if that bird would come down here and harass this snake.
Hey, I got tools on Gary.
Son, to get out of the way. He might be arrested.
I got tools on Gary. Some animals even eat slime.
Yep, tons of
Eat
animals.
slime?
Yep. Yes. Tons of animals eat slime.
It's an amazing world of slime. You're
Don't
the
pinch your fingers. Don't pinch your fingers.
You're the
I
gossy
think he's trying to get it in there. And I don't think he's going to be able to do it.
What happened?
Why can't does the snake have teeth? Why isn't he biting the bulge off? Why doesn't he take bites?
Well, they don't have
Way
chewy
back.
teeth. Their teeth
Toy.
are just meant to hold.
Right back.
He say, right back. He's a funny one.
He is.
Video something now,
Okay.
How do you go closer in? Okay, here we go. Is it as far in as it can go?
I think so. Yeah.
It can, right now it can go for 12 minutes and 48, 47, 46 seconds. It can go for like at least 12 minutes.
Aren't you, Pierce, aren't you glad you don't have to eat like that?
Oh yeah.
I think you're right. I think he's digesting that snake and that bird is taking it in.
I gotta get this shot. These shots here.
What digesting mean?
It turns the food, the solid food,
natural liquid.
It
Well,
breaks it down.
Instead of a mixer.
The chewing, when you chew up your food, Pierce, that's part of digestion. It's chewing it up.
That is it. That's whatever.
When I chew up very hard meat,
There's a nest right there.
I see the bird. It's over there.
The snake has been laying out there going,
Let me just check this out here. I wonder, that's got to be.
well, that's how those snakes got those eggs. They
Yep,
saw the
exactly.
nest.
It's got to be an adult here, though.
Yeah, it's gotta. Really moving.
You still filming good?
Yes.
Okay,
I got it right on the snake.
good.
A little bit too much grass. Can you pick that grass next to it?
No, that's all right. Okay, you don't have to watch
It's
all
too much
this.
sunlight for me to see. Here we go. It won't go outer in.